Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to make account in Buzz app. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open Buzz application on your phone, and if you do not have it, you can simply go to Play Store, then search for Buzz app by clicking on the search bar and type here Buzz, and you will find it just right here. Just download it, and now after you download it, you can now open it simply, then click on Get Started right here. Once you click on Get Started, now you will have to enter your phone number, or you can simply use your email, so you can choose between them easily. Just enter your country code, then enter your phone number. After that, you should now click on verify, then they will ask you to enter the verification code. Now I have entered it automatically. Now it will ask you to set up some permissions. All you should do is to simply click on next and allow the Buzz application to record. Click on while using the app, allow, and after that it will jump directly to Buzz application settings on your phone. You can simply choose any one of them, or you can click on no restrictions. I will choose no restrictions, then click on collect now, and here as you can see I have made my own email. Now you can go to the top left corner and click on your profile picture, and here you can simply see your name. It will also ask you to enter your first name and last name, but here in my case, because I have already created one on the same device, so it saved my data. And you can also click on this pencil icon in order to add an image or add a photo of yourself. You can take a photo or choose from your album, and you can also change your username by clicking on it, then type any username that you want, and after that you can also go back and change the name. As you can see here, the first name, and here the last name. And that's it. This is how you can actually make account in Buzz app. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new video.